Okay.
So, good morning, Ma'am Clancy. So, we're here to present our system, which is a supply inventory system. So, we choose a supply of motor parts so that it will be a specific inventory system. So, first, we'll start in introduction by first, I will introduce myself. I'm Rio Vincent Dangase. And next,
I'm Raymond Jess G. Fernandez, and I'm Abu Zarmer Tagayan. I'm Robert Mas Arpadio.
so that's all. Then we'll proceed to the introduction by Robert Miles Padua. Wait, okay, start.
Inventory Management System. Introduction. The purpose of the study is to assess the problem that mismanagement of company inventory management would lead to unnecessary losses of company's profit. This study will deal with the company lack of care for their inventory management and the problems it would cause them. The company mismanagement of their inventory would lead to several problems that the company would face: inconsistent management, warehouse efficiency, inaccurate data problems, stock, more profit than gaining would lead to debt and then eventually bankruptcy. To prevent this kind of situation from happening to companies, the best solution would be to utilize supply inventory management and system. An inventory management system is a process of which you track goods throughout your entire supply chain from purchasing products to end sales. This system will prevent further loss of profit. So, objectives to make inventory management more efficient and easier to do, less time consuming, and to prevent inventory mismanagement. Scope: better inventory accuracy with solid inventory management. You know what in stock and order only the amount of inventory you need to meet demand. Reduce risk of overselling. Inventory management help track what in stock and what back orders so you don't oversell product. Cost saving: stock costs money until it's sold. Carrying costs include storage, handling, transportation, fees, insurance, and employee salaries. Inventory is also risk of debt loss from natural disaster or obsolescence. Avoiding stock out, excess stock, better planning, management help business minimize the number of days, if any, that an item is out of stock and avoid carrying too much inventory. Learn more about solving for stockouts in our essential guide to inventory controls. Greater insight with inventory tracking and stock control. You can also easily spot sales trend or track recall product or expiry date. Next bro. Limitation. Expensive for small business. The cost of inventory management software can seem daunting to a small business, but the investment often pays for itself, increase profits and improve customer loyalty. Additional cloud-based systems have made software that was once the domain of large enterprise available to smaller business. Complex to learn. Business software is sometimes tricky to learn. However, management can help by investing in online training to quickly bring user up to speed. Risk of system crash. Software does crash, however, you can remove the risk of data productivity loss by using cloud-based platform. Malicious hack. Malicious hack are risk to all business. The internet things adds even more complexity. Cloud-based software typically have greater security. A single company would offer on its own because of the risk spreads would have
vendor. Reduce physical audits. When you automate somewhere operation, it's easy to skip and physical inventory check. Solve this by instituting regular audits.
DFD, data flow diagram. The process here is that from the start, you log in to email, and password to to reach to the welcome, the site where you see at the first month when you log in. Then you have access to the products, which you can edit, edit, print, add, and delete. And you also have the options to stop your process if you wish. Venn diagram. Basically the same. Where you have your start, you enter to the welcome system where you choose to reach the product, which would give you the product type, product uh, number, and product ID. And then from there, you have the process to either edit, uh, add, delete, or you can stop the process altogether, which would leave the program or end the program. Next.
Flow check. So this is the flow of our system. The first you have the start, and then you have to input the email and password to log in. So if no, back to the login screen. If yes, welcome screen. So and it will go to the products and we have the print, the add, edit and delete. So and it will go back to welcome screen, then leave, then stop.
So the team players are Abu Zarmir A. Tagayan, which is a system analyst, Rio Vincent P. Dangasi, which is the system programmer, Raymond J.S. G. Fernandez, which is a assistant program analyst, and Robert Miles R. Padua is a document master of this system. So now I will demonstrate to you how the system works. So let me take a while. So I will run the system right now. Okay. So here you can see the login screen. Here you can see a supply inventory system. So input example, if you input the wrong password like this, if I input a wrong password and a wrong and a correct email, then we press login. So it says the account information not exists. So it says try again. But if you input the right password, then it will bring you to the welcome home screen, which is the supply inventory system. So if you want to leave, just click leave, and then it will go back again in the login user interface. So when we click the add product, it will redirect us to the where we input the information of different parts or product that we will record. So example, mama, we put input product name of Firefly headlight, 15 watts. Then the product type is headlight, single motor. The next is the brand, which is the Firefly brand. And for example, we said that the price is 300. So like that. If we fill up the form or the information here, just click the add button, and then it just says data record successfully. Then it will record here in the database. So this is the one that we input right now. Then when we say edit, so just click on the specific information or data. Then you just simply edit the everything everything that you input or only single entity. So like that. Then we'll edit the price for 250 pesos. So just click edit. Then it says, do you want to edit the record? And then press yes. So data updated. Okay. This is the one that we have updated or edited. Then it has a time and date so that we know what time that the customer buy or uh, specific be specific. Then if you want to delete the item because the customer wants to refund, just click the information again and then click delete. Then it says yes or no. If you say yes, it will delete the data. So that goes. And then if you want to print again, just click here and then print. If you want, you have printed printer indicated, then it will automatically print the information that has been gathered from that specific data. So the system is very simple to use because one more thing, if you want to search for a item, example, we search for a firefly, and then it will search automatically the one. Example, you have inputted it so many times, then it will count the number, the name of the one that you input in the search bars. So again, then I just want to explain the system. The system is very simple. Uh, it is hassle free because it is a friendly user interface. Everything is in compact, and the example, the owner or the admin does not have any complication on using this system. So what I can say about our system is I just want to say that our system is very simple, and if we want to improve this in the future, so we want it to put customer details and the product discounted price, another categories or user interface. That's all, ma'am, for this our system. So you I hope everybody here who's been watching understand the procedure of our system. It's very simple and it's very hassle free. Once again, I'm Rio Vincent Dangase.
And I'm Raymond Jes G. Fernandez. And I'm Abu Zamir Cagayan.
Robert, and Robert Mas Padua. We say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and that's all for our system. Uh, Thank you for listening and have a good day. Thank you very much.